lovely people, me go open some of no eyes know about this brother ya. We jump up and married foreign woman and left his family at Jamaica and ending up lose half away inherit from his grandfather. This a go open a lot of no eyes and it a go shock a lot of no. But anyway, my people, remember you know, this is J Progress, the one and only. You hear me I say, you don't have to ask nobody nothing, nobody have to tell you nothing, you don't know how me go to work already. So without further ado, my people, make we mix up the gravy, take the meat off of the bone and get straight to work. So people, we have this brother here, right? He have a group of family that come to Jamaica, right? And the family then bring a friend with them, a lady. You get me? So family come in now, then bring a lady friend with them. So you don't know, this brother you have him like a car at Jamaica. And this brother you inherit a big piece of property where him live pan with him baby mother and him two pitney them. Right? From him grandfather him inherit the property. Big piece of property me I tell you about. Millions you look pan. You hear me? But this brother you always, him have him like a car, him have the property, him have him like a house panic, I company property. You see me? But this brother you always saying want to build up a nice big 2-story on the property and thing for him family and everything. Family come in from foreign now and bring a lady friend with them. Him a move around the family them and thing. So him get talking to this lady friend now. And them start grow closer and closer and closer. You know enough Jamaica man tan already, you know. As them see a foreign woman, them skin catch a fire. Even though him have him woman a yard with him two pitney them. Him skin catch a fire, him say foreign woman. So him extra nice. You know? Anywhere them want go, anything, ray, up and down. For him woman not pay that no mind. Because the woman knows say him have him family them come down. And him have him up and down with them. And first thing the woman not pray say him a go pray them the way there. Towards that the woman there. Anyway, man, the woman grew closer and closer. Right? Get talking and something. You know, I try to tell the woman, say, yo, Ray, him like her and bag of thing and sitting. And the woman show him, say, don't want nobody in Jamaica, blah, blah, cause all they do is just use woman and Ray, and want paperwork and thing. So the boss, I try to show the woman, say, he's not like that. Because him alright down here and him not look nothing for nobody. So I just like him like her. And him I tell her, say, me have how much property, all of that property you see this and this off for me. Ray, you remember where we go and when we get the coconut and the oranges and stuff. All that property is mine. My grandfather will it to me. So I inherit all that property and Ray. Him don't bring this woman too close to the house when them there, you know, where him woman and the two people them there, you know. Him care them come me tell him say I want big piece of property we are talking about now we're worth millions. You hear me I say? And people. After about 6 months, this woman fly come back to Jamaica. But this time, she come back to Jamaica on her own. Come visit the man. Right? The man did tell her, you know. Say, me have me woman and me pitney them, you know. And she now willing to work around it because guess what? She had an ulterior motive. So when this man did tell this woman saying have how much property when grandfather dead left give him and something. Him no know say this woman brain a work. Because people remember me tell you now, I said this to you before. Enough time when you see woman left foreign come to Jamaica and ray. Some of them not have nothing. Some of them would even mind to look something for thief or somebody for scam or something same way too. You hear me I say? So when you go swell up that woman head about how much property you have and it worth millions and this and that, and you not look nobody for use, you just like her genuinely and something, you don't know what you do, me general. Right? The woman come down 2 weeks, him thief this a day, that the day, spend with the woman, see the woman, tell the woman a yard, say him a go work X place and him now go come in this, that, fine. 2 week run off, woman gone back. The woman decide say, he want marry him. And the big old idiot jump feet because them frightened for foreign woman. Right? Normally is a man a pressure a woman to marry that woman, especially a foreign woman. This time around, had the woman want marry him. And him now, because him have 2-story house where he want to build on the property in his mind, he must say foreign at the right lick. If me get the bus and me reach a foreign, me nice. Me can put a big old 2-story house on the property and way and tough up me thing. Alright? Boom. Married Guan. Would you believe that this man get up and left him woman at Jamaica with him 2 pitney them and take off gone America? In the America for almost 2 years. Almost 2 years in the America for. But he come like say things name too nice for him. The way when I imagine it no work out that way there. And him and the woman thing I go downhill. And him no decide say him I go stay in America. Him man decide say him a go in yard. And the man ending up go home back to Jamaica. And after 2 years, that baby mother been living in that house down there with the 2 pitney them. And when he go back down there, you know say a film place a film house, the woman now go just tell him say you can't come here or nothing. And he come like this woman here. You know some woman stay already, they don't really want to catch with family after them left so long and sitting, so the woman take him back with the open arms. About 6 months after, divorce. Right? Divorce. Little did he know that half of what him own, the woman have to get it because of him walk out from the marriage and go back to Jamaica. Say things now work out. You hear me I say? Him walk out and go back and half of what him own, the woman is demanding half of it. I don't know them something they go already. Because remember, you know, in a very rare situation, I don't see that, you know. But guess what? Him already did run a film out and show off and say him own much property. When grandfather did left him and in a film name and he value much millions. Remember now, as me tell you, I know every woman we want to see after a foreign woman are sitting. Have it like that. So the woman say, alright, I'll fight for me. You have to go sell the property. This man now faced with the chance that he have to sell that property when grandfather dead left him. He have to sell that property. And that woman have to get half fight because no matter if you want they are foreign or they are wherever, international waters, it don't matter if across the sea there. When you're legally married, legally half of what you own is also for the other person. In family have to move. He have to sell the property. The woman have to get for him half of money. And him get half. So now him lose the big piece of property when he did have. And go and buy one little piece of land now we value how much millions. Everybody know land there already. Value how much millions. And stand for last. Right now it's stressing him out so much. People wonder how him name mad. Because when him a run down. Remember 2-story house he want to put on the property, you know. That's why I'm run down foreign, you know. And even take that chance and run go married foreign woman and go foreign, you know. And it no work out, you know. And him come back in the yard, you know. And now him end up lose half of what him did have, which is how much millions. You know, say him could have easily chop piece of that land there and sell it and build 2-story house for him, 2-story house for the rest of property. But no. You want to do it another way and run down foreign and frightened for foreign woman and you now end up almost lose everything where you have. Almost lose everything. Damage your livelihood, lose so much things because of where you are run down. So me just want to show enough for this man. You see sometimes, you may have it all, you know, and don't even know. And the very thing where you say you are run down, it one where you have. And what you have value more than what you are run down. But you see, because some people blind sight is only a look one way. Because if you have so much property, you tell me say you couldn't let out 1, 2 or 3 piece of spot run a back part down on the property down so and sell it to somebody and get a couple million and build 1, 2-story house and set up yourself. You and your family greedy and grabalicious, and then what you do? Want all, lose all. You're lucky you ain't lose everything. You hear me? I tell you, you're lucky you ain't lose everything. So I hope this is an eye-opener to enough of the people then, because enough people you see in a Jamaica right now, enough man. They have them house, they have them car, and the land where the house depend on feed them. And I don't share nothing, nobody no own it. But tell you what, them always want more and I run down the wrong thing them. Make it be a lesson to someone who believe. 1J progress and no other. Everybody who not tell a friend to tell a friend and share it with anybody. Me people, tell them to come by the channel and check out the channel, man. 10K we going by March and we know we can do it. Believe.